Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a haul from Sizzix, and also I'm letting you know of a really great sale that they began today. First, for my haul, if y'all have seen my past two Sizzix haul videos and enabler alerts, you know that I made out like a bandit on some of their items, especially their Tim Holtz items, like the die storage boxes, because as you know, I am in the process of redoing my craft room, and for better accessibility to the items that I have. So let me go ahead and show you the items that I got on their past sale. And so let me just get rid of this. One of the things, they pack things up so good. One of the things that I got that I saw that I couldn't do without is this die right here. This is the, what do you call it? It's by Georgia Evans, and it's a sleigh die. And what I like about this is that it is very dimensional, and I just love this. I love the shape, and it was so inexpensive, so that's why I went ahead and got it, and I can't wait to work with it. Now, from my last Sizzix haul, y'all saw that I ordered another die that was like this box making die, and I did tell you that I saw people do mini albums with it, and so I went ahead and did it. Let me show you the die. It's this one right here. I'm sorry about the glare, and it's a huge die. As you can see, it is their steel rule dies, and so I started playing with this, and I know that some of you have asked to see a tutorial on this, on both the box and the mini album, and I have already worked on the mini album, but I have yet to make the box for it. So slowly but surely it will be there, but I just want you all to know that I have heard you your requests about a tutorial, and I will work on this when I can. So yeah, this is amazing. And so to show you my haul this time around, what I ordered were the boxes. Oh, here, oh my gosh, I forgot I had ordered this. Look at this. When I saw this, I think this was something like $2, okay? And so I was like, I have to have it. I have to have it. So let's take a look to see what this die looks like, because when I saw the picture, I just fell in love with that bird cage. And so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh my gosh, it is actually a biggie. It's big. Oops. Here are the birdies. To show you the birdies, and look at this die. Oh my goodness, it's not a tiny little one, and for a couple of bucks I was like, yay! Let me go ahead and do it like so. It is awesome. So I am so glad that I ordered this, and oh my gosh, it's like Christmas, because sometimes you forget, you know, on what you ordered. I'll go ahead and put this away in a little bit, but let's go ahead and check these out, because remember I showed you the box, and if you haven't seen, they package everything so well, and if you haven't seen my review for this box, I'll go ahead and link you to that video in the description area below so you can view. But I went ahead and got more boxes because these are so good and they're so useful and everything. And I know for a fact that right now, sorry about the glare, Sizzix has these on sale. These usually run $20. And let me tell you something, these boxes, the chipboard is a heavy duty chipboard. They are extremely well made, and this is what the handle looks like. I'm so sorry. Okay, this is what the handle looks like, and I went ahead and I ordered more because number one, they're extremely well made, and number two, because of the low price. These normally go for 20 bucks. They're on sale right now. I don't know if it's $6 or $8, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead at the end of the video and show you the sale price for this, and I'm also gonna leave you with my affiliate links in the description area below so that you can go ahead and get yours. But I love the length. You can fit your 12-inch dies right here, like this. See, that's how big the box is. Okay, you can fit these type of dies in there, and I just love them because I have so many Sizzix dies that I need to put away. And I love the look of this because my craft room, if y'all have taken a sneak peek, my style for my craft room, I don't do the pink, I don't do the girly stuff. I like it very whatchamacallit, like a tuxedo. I want to say like a tuxedo. My craft room is inspired by Heidi Swapp. You know, like the black and white, gray and golds. That's the look that I go for in my craft room. I don't do the white. Let me put this away. I don't do the white, all white with the pink and the pastels. I don't do that because my craft room also is my workspace. I work from home, and so I like everything to be very office-like. And yeah, and that's the look that I go for. So I have black shells and everything, and this is perfect for it. So this is what I wanted to show you, my small haul from Sizzix, and please make sure to check out my affiliate links in the description area below because there are some amazing sales. And I do believe that if your order is from $65 or $60, one of the two, your shipping is free. So thank you so very much for watching. Please thumbs up if you enjoy videos such as these when I can bring you some amazing sales. And let me know in the comment section below about how you're doing. You know, I haven't talked to you in a while, and because, you know, things happen and so forth. So yeah, just let me know how you're doing. I would love to hear from you, okay? Thank you so very much for watching. Bye.